So fun right now. I ain't even gonna lie to you. I just feel this song. That's everything too, but the bad dogs. Come on now. Yeah, hey. Ah! Like, well, it's really not. It's kind of POV, not really. I give y'all one of that. I give y'all that later. I really did not want to do it on the way over here, but don't mind all this stuff. But we're just waiting on some. So how we? How about time? Oh my gosh! Let's just give you like a freaking POV vlog, or whatever. Golly, gotta wash my car again. Gotta do a lot of stuff to this damn car. I am about to piss myself though. Hold on. I did a little thing right now. Since I didn't get y'all one this morning or earlier today, just left all them going home. Oh, it's cold. Yeah, don't look at all these damn lights right now. I swear I got gas. Not even about 4 or 5 hours ago. I don't know, this POV probably gonna be kinda ass. My music's not playing right now. I'm gonna have to see what's going on with that. Kinda connecting. My music's connecting into my glasses for some reason. I gotta go on my settings again. Fix that. Hey, bro.
Hey, Patrick, how the are ya?
Hey, bro, I just be chilling. Take y'all ass around, fool. Y'all niggas wanna do 165 right now. I'm not on that time right now. Y'all ass can go around. Real deal.
Yep.
Damn. Thank you. Not that hard, gang.
Nope.
All going to the same place, dumb.
Good SpongeBob.
See, that's an Alabama fan for you right there. A fucking dickhead. A fucking weenie. That's what he is, a weenie.